Hello and welcome to Every Dad DIY. I'm Gavin. Today we're going to be making this, which is a magnetic switch. I'm going to use it to tell when the stairs gate is open and closed. So when it's open it'll beep and tell the person to close it. Yeah, so stick with me and let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to try to draw this out in a way that it makes sense. So we'll have a battery, which is going to be our 9-volt battery here. He's going to have two wires, so one wire is going to go over this way. He's going to have a little toggle switch just here. That will just turn it on and off. Then the next thing that it's going to have is a buzzer. So it's going to be the buzzer. Then the wire from the buzzer is going to come out and it's going to go down and attach on to our contact. So our contact will be either this way or this way, depending on the magnet. So we'll then have a contact just here, and that will just go straight back to the other side of the battery like that. So when we introduce the magnet, so our gate will be here. This is our gate, and the magnet is going to be attached to the side like that. So when the gate is closed, the magnet is going to pull this switch over to here. We're then not going to have a connection here, so our circuit is broken, so no current is going to flow, so the buzzer won't sound. When we take the magnet away, this contact will be just springs back, so it'll spring to closed. We then have a complete circuit and it's going to make a buzzing sound. So now I'm just going to give you a quick run through of how it's wired up. So we have our battery just here. We've the positive going into one side of our switch. It then goes from the other side of the switch into our little buzzer. Our buzzer goes around and through this screw, goes through out to here and connects onto our little switch. That switch connects onto the head of another screw, which goes through onto this one, and that goes back into the battery. So as long as this is touching here, it should be beeping, so I'll turn it on. So it's beeping there now quite loudly. So if I pick this off, so that's what the magnet will be doing when the gate is closed. When the gate is closed, it will be like this. The magnet will be holding it like that. When the gate opens, it'll let it go and it makes contact, and then we get a buzzer. Okay, so I've given it a layer of black paint. I've just attached a couple of L brackets there as well, and then I've put the plastic front on it. So we've got a on-off switch just here, and we've got the battery just up the top here, so it can be replaced if it ever needs to be. Okay, so as you can see, we're all finished there now. I haven't been able to mount it the way I'd like. I wanted this box to be down here with this stick being at the front of this, so it would touch there, but there just wasn't enough room. This box is hollow, so I can only put these L brackets at certain points to hold it, and I couldn't get any fixings here with just how short the space was. So we had to compromise. I've put in this 65mm spacer, and the magnet then is on top. So at the moment it's literally a couple of mil away from this box, so it's holding the switch open, so there's no current flowing. If I move it, the alarm goes off. I put it back, the alarm stops. If I want to turn it off at night, I just click this switch, and now I can leave it open. During the day I can switch it back on. Okay, so that's a wrap for today's video. We're all finished the project. Hopefully that'll keep my little man off the stairs. Yeah, so there's loads of stuff you could use a switch like that for. You could use it for a fridge alarm, a door alarm, window alarm. You could even use it to turn a light on and off. Yeah, so thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.